Hola muchacho, it's Raven Kid 2 Dog, and we're Life the Swing. Today's... Alright, since we thought, how to defend yourself is our most popular video, why don't we make another? Because if we make part 2, it would be double the cool. Awesome. So, welcome to How to Defend Yourself. Who said that? Guarding tool. Guarding tool. Guarding tool. Guarding tool. Hey kid, give me a lunch money. Oh, what are you doing? Oh. Dude, stop. That hurt. Boy. Oh! Oh God! We ran out of options, so we're just gonna do a whole bunch of random material. Okay, kid, you've already hit me with a rake. You took me. Oh God! Oh! We're gonna do a different video. So, in theory, you can pretty much call this Random Things Part 2, I guess. Alright, here's our shout-out. We'd like to give a shout-out to Shane Donson TV, because he's a beast. Yes. Bo Burnham. And, Decent Nate. And Not Chaos Claus. Yeah, because he sucks. You should check him out. His videos are, hilarious, because they're retarded. Because he's retarded. Yeah. I'm pretty sure this counts as cyberbullying and we might get arrested. But tough noodles. Just shout out to Tinkerbell Girl, our #1 fan. She's a beast. Use both sheets of your piece of paper. Save the trees. It's killing polar bears and penguins. As you know, Halloween's coming up. You're probably waiting. And we're gonna do a special. So you're gonna have to, on Halloween, check channel, whatnot, or a website. And try please contacting us on Gmail. All of my friends on my channel who don't subscribe to me, you're dead to me. Start subscribing. Yeah, why are you your friends if you're not going to subscribe? We subbed you! I mean, Timmy's email. Slit my wrist and black my eye. There are very mysterious and magical creatures in these areas. That is not what I meant at all. Where'd he go? There's been reportings in this area of a strange creature they call Smallfoot. There he is now! Alright, we're thinking about making another channel, either about our band, Aftershock. Woohoo, Aftershock! Or, just a random channel, blowing stuff up. Crap like that we learned in science class. Blowing stuff up. You should shut up. Be the first to comment on this video and win a date with Timmy! Boys and batters not included. Side effects include headaches, stomachaches, and diarrhea. Alright, we're running out of memory, so we're just gonna finish off with one little thing. Timmy, what floats your boat? What floats my boat is applesauce. Charlie, what floats your gay boat?
I don't have a gay boat.
What floats my boat is spitting acid at puppies. So that got me wondering. So, what floats your boat? Just leave a little thing in the comments down there on what floats your boat, okay? Video responses are acceptable because we love them comments. Keep making them. And once again, those channels that we gave a shout out to earlier, we'll leave their, links in the sidebar on whichever side that is. Gotta figure out so I can point to it next time the right way. And yeah, bye.